insane! I'm swelling up like a balloon down here!
Incoming! Salt signal detected! Hydration squad rushing in!
What happened down there? Massive sodium spike. Chips, fries, sauce. It's a full salt tsunami flooding the circulation.
Sodium attracts water through osmosis. When salt concentration rises, fluid shifts into surrounding tissues.
Yep, salt pulls, we move.
So I'm not actually full. I'm just flooded?
Exactly. Salt shifted the water balance. Now fluid is trapped in your tissues.
We need to dump excess sodium.
Working on it, but until filtration finishes, water stays trapped in the tissues. So salt didn't inflate me, it pulled water in? Exactly. Too much sodium makes the body hold water. That temporary swelling is what we call bloating.
Okay, this is ridiculous. I feel like an aquarium.
Hey, don't blame me. Salt invited us. We're just following the osmotic rules.
If sodium leaves, water will follow.
Exactly. Once we remove the salt, the body releases the trapped fluid.
Wait, why am I shrinking?
Because the salt is leaving. Without sodium, you have no reason to stay.
Wow, the pressure's gone.
That's because the body restored the water balance. Too much salt temporarily traps fluid in tissues.
Wait, more sodium just entered circulation. Yep, looks like another salty snack just arrived. Brace yourself.
Oh, come on! Again?
Hey, new salt shipment just arrived. Osmosis never takes a break.
Don't worry, we'll filter it out again. And that's why too much salt keeps making people feel bloated. So the real problem isn't the food, it's the salt? Exactly. Salt shifts water balance, and that's what creates bloating.
That's way too much sodium!
Yeah, whoever's eating out there just dropped a salt bomb into circulation. This much sodium will shift the entire water balance. Yeah, and I know exactly who's about to pay for it.
When sodium rises, water moves toward it.
Oh yeah, salt calls and we always answer.
Seriously, I just deflated.
Hey, the salt invited us again.
The salt is pulling water from surrounding tissues.
Yep, the bigger the salt, the bigger the splash.
Okay, this is getting out of control. I feel like I swallowed a swimming pool. Hey, salt called for water and we deliver.
We have a sodium overload. The tissues are flooding.
Got it. If I remove the salt, the water will follow.
Hey, something's pulling me.
That's the filtration. When salt leaves, the water follows.
Whoa, why are we flying toward the salt?
That's osmosis. Sodium attracts water from surrounding tissues.
Hey, where's my water going? Sorry, salt outside the cell is stronger. Why are we losing water?
Because sodium outside the cells is higher. Water moves where salt concentration is stronger. This is insane. I feel like a water balloon. Blame the salt. It keeps pulling more of us. There's still too much sodium moving through here.
Then the kidneys need to filter faster.
All right, salt, let's get you out of here. Wait, we're leaving.
Exactly. Once salt leaves, water follows. Finally, the pressure is dropping. That's the kidneys restoring the balance.
Finally, the sodium levels are dropping.
Just a little more filtering and the balance will return. Hey, my water is coming back. Looks like the salt isn't pulling us anymore.
Good. Sodium levels are normalizing. That means the osmotic pressure is finally stabilizing.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm finally deflating.
Hey, we just followed the salt.
Excellent work. The sodium spike is gone. Balance restored. So the swelling wasn't food, it was water? Exactly. Too much salt makes the body hold extra water. That's why salty meals can make people feel bloated.
Yeah, salt always pulls water.
Everything feels normal again. That's what balance looks like. So if someone eats too much salt, this whole chaos happens again? Exactly. A little salt is fine. Too much, and your body starts storing water everywhere.
This pressure keeps building. I feel stretched from inside. What exactly is happening here?
Salt increased osmotic pressure. Now water is being pulled into surrounding tissues.
There's sodium everywhere! The current is getting unstable!
That's my specialty. Wherever I go, water follows. Osmotic pressure always shifts the balance.
Wait, there's too much water coming in! I'm expanding! Blame the salt concentration. It pulled us here from the bloodstream.
I'm detecting excess sodium. Starting rapid filtration.
Good. Remove the sodium load. Once sodium drops, the osmotic pull on water will weaken.
The turbulence is fading. Flow feels smoother already.
As sodium concentration falls, osmotic pressure stabilizes. Water distribution begins correcting itself.
We're leaving the tissues now. The pull is getting weaker.
Exactly. Without excess sodium, water redistributes back into circulation.
Finally! The pressure is fading. My membrane can relax again.
Water is returning to circulation where it belongs.
So the bloated feeling wasn't food volume at all? No. It was fluid retention caused by salt pulling water into surrounding tissues.
We always follow sodium concentration. That's osmotic physics. Where I increase, water shifts to balance the gradient.
When sodium rises, water follows it into tissues. That's why salty meals often create temporary swelling or bloating.
Hey, don't blame us. People love salty food. And wherever I go, water will follow. That's just osmotic balance.
So moderation matters. Salt isn't the enemy, but too much shifts fluid balance and your body temporarily stores water.
This is what happens inside our body. And this is just one of the examples, which we regularly analyze on the channel.